Welcome to our informative video on how climate change is redrawing the map for ski resorts. We are diving into the world of winter sports to uncover how the warming climate is literally shifting paradigms. From declining snow seasons to increased usage of artificial snow and economic impacts on resorts worldwide, join us as we explore the challenging realities and future of winter tourism in an era of climate change. Get ready for an enlightening journey into the slopes of transformation. 1. Shrinking snow seasons. The heart of the skiing industry has been battling a chilling new reality. Warmer winters are gradually stealing days from the traditional snow season. Ski resorts, nestled in mountainous regions, have grown to dread the delayed arrival and early departure of snow. This shift shortens the vital window for skiing activities. What was once a reliable winter playground now teeters on unpredictability. For skiers, this means rescheduling trips, and for resorts, it necessitates recalibrating business models. The pressing question hovers over these winter paradises. Can they keep pace with the changing climate? 2. Rising snow lines. As temperatures inch upward, the reliable elevation for snowfall is climbing as well. Once you could count on certain altitudes to deliver fresh powder, now those dependables falter. This upward shift of the snowline spells trouble for resorts located at lower altitudes. They face dwindling snowfall and, in some cases, complete operational standstills. It's a matter of altitude versus survival, as those perched higher up the mountains see increased patronage. Lower altitude destinations either struggle to innovate or find themselves facing closure. The race for elevation has become a front-row spectator event. 3. Increased reliance on artificial snowkeeping. A ski resort covered in white despite nature's dynamism demands ingenuity. Increasingly, resorts lean heavily on artificial snowmaking to compensate for erratic natural snowfall. But there's a hefty cost attached, both environmentally and financially. The process demands large quantities of water and energy, further straining local resources and contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. It is an ironic paradox when fighting climate change means exacerbating another environmental issue. Nevertheless, for many resorts, artificial snow remains a lifeline, notwithstanding its drawbacks. 4. Glacier retreats. Glaciers, renowned for offering year-round skiing opportunities, are relentlessly retreating due to warming trends. Iconic destinations in the Alps and other celebrated mountain ranges are watching their ice fields diminish. The shrinking of these glaciers not only reduces available terrain, but also signifies a loss of natural beauty and wonder. Skiers who once marveled at the expansive ice vistas now find themselves reminiscing about a vanishing past. This reducing glacial area reflects a poignant loss for terrain richness in skiing regions, raising concerns about future sustainability. 5. Economic strain on resorts. A dwindling snow reliability equates to dwindling revenue. The economic ramifications are profound, especially for smaller family-owned ski resorts. These establishments often operate on thin margins, and a bad season can spell financial ruin. In contrast, larger resorts counter these trends by diversifying, such as introducing summer activities and other off-season attractions. However, even they face significant challenges requiring heavy investments to adapt. The economics of skiing, once a snow-guaranteed enterprise, now resembles a game of financial tug-of-war with Mother Nature. 6. Biodiversity loss. The changing snow patterns unfold tales of ecological transformations as well. Local ecosystems finely tuned to consistent snowfall are undergoing stress. Species like snowshoe hares and specific alpine plants, which thrive in snowy environments, confront significant habitat loss. This consequently impacts the region's natural allure, which complements the skiing experience. For resorts keen on maintaining their rustic charm, These ecological shifts present long-term challenges. The charm of ski regions, after all, intertwines with the vibrancy of their ecosystems. 7. Shift toward high-altitude resorts. Snow's unreliability at lower elevations is prompting a shift in skier preferences toward higher mountain terrains. These elevated havens offer more consistent snow, thus attracting more visitors and fostering fierce competition. On the flip side, low-altitude resorts find themselves either forced to pivot creatively or face potential closure. This migration shapes the skiing culture, fostering a race-to-the-top ethos across mountain ranges. It's a risky scramble for high ground, a bid for business survival as nature redefines the boundaries of the skiing world. 8. Environmental advocacy by resorts. Faced with these multifaceted challenges, many ski resorts are emerging as vocal champions of climate action. They're advocating sustainability, investing in renewable energies, and innovating eco-friendly snowmaking. These measures, although costly, are aimed at reducing carbon footprints and ensuring long-term viability. Resorts hope their sustainability efforts build bridges with environmentally conscious patrons, keeping alive the pristine nature that's synonymous with their appeal. It's a strategic maneuver to not just endure the climate storm, but to contribute positively towards combating it.